Capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor without a diode. We know that there is three types of capacitor: parallel plate capacitor, cylindrical capacitor, and spherical capacitor. We consider parallel plate capacitor. Consider two parallel plates A and B. Consider two parallel plates, metal plates or conductors A and B, whose area is same, that is A. Both the plates whose area is A. The plate A contain positive charge and plate B contain negative charge because B is connected to ground or earth. Also, let D is the distance between them. D is the distance between them. And plate A is insulated by means of paper or by means of wire. We assume that the plate A is insulated. There is no dielectric medium between them, but plate A is insulating plate and B is connected to ground. And V is the potential difference between plate A and plate B. Due to insulating of plate A, this positive charge moves toward the plate B, hence there is electric field intensity inside the charge. But outside there is no electric intensity or no electric field. It is outside the plate, E is equal to 0 or E bar is equal to 0. Let sigma is the surface charge density or is given by charge upon area. Charge upon area. Therefore, electric intensity outer side will be E bar is equal to sigma upon 2 epsilon 0 positive charge or minus sigma upon epsilon 0 negative charge is equal to 0, that is E bar is equal to 0. But inner the capacitor or plate, the intensity will be E bar is equal to sigma upon 2 epsilon 0 plus sigma upon 2 epsilon 0. This gives 2 sigma upon 2 epsilon 0, or this gives sigma upon epsilon 0. E is equal to sigma upon epsilon 0. Using this equation, The value of sigma is charge per unit area, or therefore Q upon A epsilon 0 gives E is equal to Q upon A epsilon 0. This is equation number 1. This is the electric field intensity. E is equal to Q upon A epsilon 0. The D is the distance between these two plates. Phi is the potential. Therefore, electric intensity is equal to Phi upon D. So, equation number 2. From equation number 1 and equation 2, it is clear that Phi upon D is equal to Q upon A epsilon 0. Or this gives Phi is equal to QD divided by A epsilon 0. Using definition of capacity of capacitor, C is equal to Q upon P. We use the value of Phi. C is equal to Q divided by QD divided by A epsilon 0. This gives Q cancel, A epsilon 0 divided by D. C is equal to A epsilon 0 divided by D. This is the value of capacity of parallel plate capacitor when there is no dielectric medium between plate A and plate B. That means this parallel plate capacity C is directly proportional to area, directly proportional to epsilon 0 and inversely proportional to D. That means if you increase the capacity of parallel plate capacitor, the area of plate should be increased and distance between these two plates should be decreased. Hence, the capacity of parallel plate capacitor without any dielectric medium is C is equal to A epsilon 0 upon D. Thank you.